Alright, what's up guys? We're about to go ahead and go pick up our very first rebuild of this channel. Pretty excited. Been a long time coming. That's why I haven't been posting as often as I would like. But you guys are about to go ahead and see what it's gonna be. I'll keep you guys updated as soon as we get there. Alright guys, so we just got here to the auction yard. We're currently waiting for them to bring out the car so we can start loading it up. Once it does get here, I'll go ahead and show you guys a glimpse of it. But once we take it back to the shop, I'll go ahead and show you guys the car in full detail, inside and out, what's wrecked, what's bad of it. Obviously it's not too bad. It looks bad, but it's nothing that you can't fix. Pretty excited to give this car a better life than it previously had. But once they do bring it out to us, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, so we got the car back and situated here at the shop. As you guys can see, it's a Subaru STI. It's a 2007. Picked it up at an auction. It does have a few minor work that has already been done to it. Like on the hood, the fender, the left side fender, the pillar over here, the right rear door and stuff like that. So that goes on to show you that we're gonna have to paint the whole entire car again and stuff like that. But that's no biggie. The biggest problem of this car is the right rear collision that it has right here. Whole entire quarter panel, the door, you know, just got straight ran through, you know what I mean? But it's nothing that we can't fix, you know? So pretty excited to get started on that type of stuff. Like I'm gonna show you right here, we already have some of the few pieces. We did get a donor car, you know what I mean? He took his life for us, so he was able to give us the right rear of the car. Bro, you can't laugh like that. But we got the right rear quarter panel, we got the whole entire, you know, inner structure that we are gonna go ahead and need over here. I'll go ahead and show you guys in the on the STI, on the other one, that the whole entire inner structure is kind of damaged. Let me go ahead and open up the door, or the trunk, I should say, the trunk. All right, so as you guys can tell, it's, you know, you can tell like there's clearly some damage right here. The floor over here in the back has some, like, you know, some creases. Up top has a few creases as well. But you know, once we get that into the frame machine and stuff like that, it shouldn't be a big deal. We're gonna start pulling that out and stuff. Shouldn't be a big problem. But I'm going to show you guys the car inside and out just so you can see what we're dealing with. Stuff like that. It's not too bad. It's kind of clean inside. Has a few glass and stuff like that. Since there's a broken windshield. The rear has a whole bunch of broken glass and stuff like that. But it's nothing to worry about, you know. All that stuff is gonna get taken care of. This car's gonna be looking brand new, like it came out back in 2007. That's the goal. So if you guys do want to stay tuned, you know, we want to see the progress of this car being pulled, being painted, getting cleaned up, being torn apart. Make sure to subscribe and stuff like that, because we're gonna be doing a lot of work to this car, and it's gonna be pretty exciting.